What is the definition of a free man? Are you fishing barefooted on Wednesday? Why, yes, I am. Oof. Oh. Oh, yes! Oh, gosh! Dude, that is massive. Come on up, man. Come on up. Get up out of here. Get up out of here. Oh, dear Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Oh boy. That. Now I'm bleeding. Just some good old boys. That was a heck of a pull. Let's see what you weigh, buddy boy. Okay, so it says 9, 10 pounds, 9, 10. All right, there you have it. Something, you know, it's difficult to get an accurate measurement when in the waves and the bouncing up and down, you know, but something like that, 9 or 10 pounds. It's a good one. That's a good one. What a beautiful day. Now I'm going fishing. Water is clear. It's at high tide right now. Ooh, look at the mullet. Well, I guess you can't see the mullet. I'll take my word for it. It's gonna be a good day today. Fishing forecast at 4. But there's only been 2 days this whole month that have been under 15-mile-an-hour wind. And today is one of those days, so let's see what happens. It does look like there's gonna be a pretty decent tide today. I should be right at the right time. About 2 o'clock should be the peak. It's about 1:30, 1:45 right now. Let's see if we can go wrestle up. Don't slow me down. Shoot. Don't bring me down. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's a nice day out here. I hope I catch something. I've been sick this whole month. Got the flu. Went into pneumonia. Took me about 3 weeks to kick that. Now I got the flu again. Woo! We're all gonna die, so I figure I might as well go fishing. Maybe I'll have a good time before I go, but I'm exhausted, huh? I'm winded just paddling this little bit. I don't have the strength I normally have. I am at a bit of a disadvantage today. Let's see how that goes. Okay. And just like that, we are on the spot. Okay, his bait's falling off. Doesn't have much longer. All I need is one. Oof. Thump. Oh, yes! Oh, gosh! Oh, dude! That is massive! Come on up, man! Come on up! Get up out of here! Get up out of here! Oh, dear Lord! Oh my gosh! Oh. Oh, You did this before. Come on, almost there. Oh boy, that. Now I'm bleeding. That is a good fish. Bye-bye. See you later. It just totally exploded. He hit it like he was angry at it. Like, I hate you. I'm gonna. Oh, now I'm bleeding all over everywhere. Oh, he stuck me pretty good too. Yeah. Now that feels good. Feels good to get your pole bent, you know, your line stretched. Like, hey, I did something right. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, it's small. It's something small. It's a dinger. I got a dinger. Oh, look. World's smallest grouper. I've caught bait that was bigger than that. Look at that grouper. He's a monster. Fly away, little buddy. I'll put that in my fish tank. Barefooted on a Wednesday. Ooh, that was another hit. Ooh, he hit it. He hit it and didn't take it. Ooh, the action is hot around here. Fishing whole baits. These baits are kind of skimpy wimpy. Skimpy. Ow. Damn, I hooked my finger. Ooh. Yeah, this bait. It's not gonna last long. Ooh, big hit. Come on, man. Take it. Take it. You want it. Take it. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh my God! Ah! Come on up! Oh, yes, sir! Yes, sir, Mr. Grouper! This one is just a little fella. I don't think he's gonna do for weight. But it is a pretty fish. I like the coloration on this one. It's got the offset colors of the dark spots and the white behind. Pretty fish. Too small. That's 3 gag groupers in like 20 minutes. It's hot. Squeaky reel and all. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was a big hit. Let me put another bait on there. Out just as fast as I can. Oh, that was a big hit and I missed him. Missed him.
Right up. Huh?